I used regular fabric scissors, but of course you can use a ruler cutter if you want to. I've already laid my fabric in my sewing table, so I just jump right into putting my pattern over the fabric. Always remember to respect the grain line. I prefer using pins to put the pattern very firmly over the fabric instead of using some kind of weight. The pant pattern does not have seam allowance, so I add them manually. I add 1 centimeter seam allowance around the sides and the waistline. But when I get to the bottom hem of my pattern, I actually add 5 centimeter seam allowance because I'm gonna fold the hem twice while finishing it, and I'm also gonna make a wider hem. Now that all of the seam allowances were added, we can start cutting our fabric. Now that I have cut my front and back panels of the pants, I'm gonna cut the waistband on fold. Now that all of my pattern pieces have been cut, I'm gonna start pinning the crotch seams together. I'm gonna pin the two front panels, right sides facing at the crotch, and do the same thing to the back panels. So now let's get our sewing spirits going. Let's take our scissors, prepare our fabrics. It's time to start creating. It's time to warm up our sewing machines and start joining our pieces together. Now we have a front pant panel and a back pant panel. And we're gonna join both of them together by pinning and stitching the side seams. Again, it's time to sew it all together. Side seams closed, it's time to sew the inner seam of our pants together. Let's again pin it all in place and put it through our sewing machines. The pants themselves are already in shape, so it's time to create our waistband. You should fold your waistband in half, right sides facing, and pin the shorter edges together. We are near the end. Let's take our waistband and put it right sides out and fold it horizontally. You should put your waistband inside your pants at the waistline to pin it together. Your pants should be inside out while doing it. One tip to stretch it evenly is to actually fold your waistband in half and put each edge into one of the side seams. Then fold it in half again and put one edge at the center front and one edge at the center back of your pants. This way it is gonna be evenly divided into 4 pieces. Your waistband's gonna be a little bit smaller than the waist hole of your pants, so you're gonna have to stretch a little bit while sewing. Make sure everything is matching and be careful not to stretch your fabric too much while pinning or sewing. Our last step is to finish the edges of our bottom hem. As you can see, I am actually folding the fabric twice to prevent it from fraying and give a cleaner finish. Congratulations! Now you have pants! You have successfully finished the first half of our project.